How to delete TikTok videos. So if you want to delete uploaded TikTok video on your TikTok profile, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete TikTok video on your profile, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. This could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Then click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Once you started the profile icon, you'll be taken to your TikTok profile page, and on the TikTok profile page, you have access to all your videos. Now, to delete a video on TikTok or delete any video from your TikTok profile, locate or select the video you want to delete. Once you click on the video just like this, click on these three dots. Then, once you have the menu comes up, you want to scroll through the last menu like this. Then you should see the delete button at the bottom right. Go ahead and click on the trash icon, which is delete. Then once you click on the button that says delete or re-edit, delete, restore post within 30 days from Activity Center, just go ahead and click on delete. Then hang on, once the video or post is deleted, if you come back to your TikTok profile page, then you should see that the TikTok video has been deleted. So that is basically how to delete videos on TikTok. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.